In this lecture, I will talk about arithmetic operators in C and explain different arithmetic operators with help of hands-on example. At the end of this lecture, you will be well versed with different arithmetic operators in C. Let's get started. Arithmetic operators in C are used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo division. These are the list of different arithmetic operators available in C. Plus operator is used to perform addition of variables and constant. Example 4 plus 2, which will return value 6. Minus operator is used to perform subtraction. Example 3 minus 2 will return value 1. Asterisk operator is used to perform multiplication. For example, 3 asterisk 2 will return 6. Division operator, denoted by slash, is used to perform division operation. For example, 4 slash 2 will return value 2, that is, value of 4 divided by 2. Percentage modulo division operator is used to find remainder of division operation. For example, 5 percentage 2 will return the remainder of operation 5 divided by 2, that is value 1. Let's understand this with help of hands-on example. I have opened code blocks and created a C project. I will write a program that will make use of all the arithmetic operators in C. In order to get started, I will declare two int variable named total and count. Int total, let's assign value 10 to it, equals to value 10, ending the statement with semicolon. In the next line, I will declare another int variable named count and assign value 2 to it. Int count equals to 2, ending the statement with semicolon. I will declare one more variable named result that will be used to store the result of arithmetic operations. In order to do that, I will go to next line and type int result followed by semicolon. Now, let's perform addition operation. In order to do so, I will make use of plus arithmetic operator. In order to perform addition of variables total and count, I will use plus sign as shown below. Total plus count followed by semicolon. This statement will perform addition of values stored in variables total and count, that is 10 plus 2, which is 12. However, we need a way to store result of this operation somewhere. I will make use of equal to assignment operator to assign value of total plus count to variable result. I will update this statement and type result equals to. Here, when program encounters this statement, it will first perform addition of values stored in total and count, that is 10 plus 2, which is 12. It will then assign the value 12 to variable named result. Let's use printf statement to print value of result. I will type printf in double quotes, value of addition is %d, comma, name of the variable result followed by semicolon. I will compile and run the code. You should see this output on the screen. This value is the result of addition of 10 and 2. Now, let's perform subtraction operation. I will make use of minus operator. I will subtract 3 from total and assign value to variable result. In order to do that, I will type result equals to total minus 3. Here, during execution, variable total will be replaced with its value 10 and perform 10 minus 3, which will return 7. Value 7 will then be assigned to a variable result. After execution of this statement, value of result will be 7, value of total will still be 10 as we are not assigning new value to variable total. We are only performing subtraction operation on total. Performing arithmetic operation on variable won't change the value of variable unless it is assigned a new value using assignment operator. Let's verify this with help of printf statement. I will write two printf statements. First printf will print value of result. Printf in double quotes, value of subtraction is %d, comma, name of the variable result followed by semicolon. Second printf will print value of total. Printf in double quotes, value of total is %d, comma, name of the variable total. I will compile and run this code. If you see here, first printf displayed value of 10 minus 3, that is 7. and second printf displayed value of total, that is 10. The value of variable total remained unchanged even after performing subtraction operation on it. If this video is helping you, please support me by clicking on like button below. If you have any questions, do let me know in comment section below. Let's try one more thing. Total equals to total minus 4 followed by semicolon. Here, program will first perform total minus 4, that is 10 minus 4, which returns value 6. It will then assign value 6 to variable total. Variable total should now hold value 6 instead of initial value 10. Let's try printing the value of total. I'll go to next line and type printf in double quotes value of total after total equals to total minus 4 is %d, comma, name of the variable total followed by semicolon. I will compile and run the code. As expected, value 6 is displayed for variable total. Value of total will continue to remain 6 throughout the program execution unless and until it is assigned a new value or program execution is completed. Now, I will try multiplication operation. In order to perform multiplication operation, I will use asterisk operator. I will try to perform multiplication of total and count and assign the result of multiplication to variable result. I will type result equals to total asterisk count, ending the statement with semicolon. Here, during the execution of this statement, variable total on RHS of equal to sign will be replaced by its recent value, that is integer 6, and count will be replaced by value 2. Program will then perform multiplication of 6 and 2, that is 6 into 2, which is 12. It will then assign the multiplication result to variable named result. I will write printf statement to print value of result. I'll go to next line and type printf in double quotes value of multiplication is %d, comma, name of the variable result, ending the statement with semicolon. Let's compile and run the code. This is what the printf statement should display. Value of multiplication is 12. Now, I will try division operation using division operator. I will try dividing 4 by 2, that is 4 divided by 2. Instead of assigning the result to variable, I will print it directly using printf statement. I'll go to next line and type printf in double quotes value of 4 by 2 is %d, comma, 4/2 followed by semicolon. I will compile and run this code again. If you see here, printf displayed value 2, which is the result of division operation 4 divided by 2. Now, I will try division modulo operator to get the remainder of division operation. I will type printf in double quotes value of 4 modulo division 2 is %d, comma, 4%2 followed by semicolon. 4%2 should return remainder of 4 divided by 2, which is 0. Let's compile and run the code. If you see here, division modulo operator correctly displayed the remainder of 4 divided by 2. I will try one more thing. I will print remainder of 5 divided by 3. I will go to next line and type printf in double quotes value of 5 modulo division 3 is %d, comma, 5%3 followed by semicolon. On executing, 5%3 should display value 2 since 2 is the remainder of 5 divided by 3. I will compile and run the code. If you see here, printf displayed the remainder of 5 divided by 3, that is value 2. Let's summarize what you have learned in this lecture. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations on operands like variables and constants. Use plus arithmetic operator to perform addition, minus operator to perform subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, and % sign for modulo division operation.